As usual, we published a lot of news on our three websites, armyrecognition.com, navyrecognition.com, and airrecognition.com. Here is a selection of what we propose you for this week. The topics selected from the news we published on armyrecognition.com last week are these. The German Leopard 2 could be an option to replace British Army's Challenger 2s. The Australian Army has conducted various tests with its Boxer 8x8 combat vehicle during amphibious operations. Morocco has confirmed its plan to buy ARQUUS VAB Mk armored personnel carriers. And the US Special Operations Command has ordered Barrett Mk sniper rifles. The British Army is examining a number of options to modernize fleets of Challenger 2 main battle tanks. The options are the acquisition of new Leopard 2 A7s or the modernization of the Challenger 2s currently in service. In October 2018, BAE Systems unveiled its proposed Challenger 2 LEP for Life Extension Program technology demonstrator, the Black Knight. The new improvements include a Safran Paseo Commander's independent sight, Leonardo's thermal imager for the gunner, and Leonardo's night sight DNVS-4. The Black Knight turret has been modified to improve the speed of traverse and provide greater space as well as regenerative braking to generate and store power. Other enhancements include a laser warning system and active protection system. The Australian Army's new Boxer combat reconnaissance vehicle, the CRV, has been put to test during the Amphibious Task Group's exercise Sea Wader 2020. The Boxer completed a series of beach training scenarios, including driving over sand, vehicle recovery, embarking and disembarking from LCM-8 and Navy light landing craft, and transiting to and from Royal Australian Navy ship HMS Adelaide. Exercise Sea Wader 2020 enabled newly qualified Boxer crews from the 2nd 14th Light Horse Regiments to practice operating in a coastal environment. Morocco has confirmed its plan to acquire French-made surface-to-air defense systems Matra VL and Mk from MBDA, 155mm self-propelled howitzers Caesar from Nexter, and 6x6 armored vehicles VAB Mk manufactured by the French company ARQUUS. The VAB Mk is the latest development of wheeled armored vehicles in the family of VAB, Véhicules de l'Avant Blindé, designed and manufactured by ARQUUS, formerly Renault Trucks Defense. The VAB Mk was unveiled at Eurosatory 2012 in Paris. The VAB Mk is not a simple upgrade of the previous VAB. It's a new vehicle design fully adapted to new threats on the battlefield such as IEDs and mine blasts. Its new armor provides protection for the crew and the soldiers level 4 Stanak 4569 against ballistic threats up to 14.5mm armor-piercing rounds. It provides also a mine IED protection like other MRAP vehicles. The VAB Mk can be fitted with a wide range of turrets or remote weapon stations up to a 30mm caliber cannon. It's motorized with a Renault Trucks engine of 220 to 400 horsepower, coupled to an automatic transmission with 6 forward and 1 reverse gears. The vehicle can reach 105 km/h. Barrett has announced it has received the first delivery order for the USSOCOM, the Special Operations Command, for its Mark 22 precision sniper rifle. The submission of its initial production multirole adaptive design Mark 22 rifles have met all requirements from the US Department of Defense contract for advanced sniper rifles in support of USSOCOM. In March 2019, the US Special Operations Command awarded Barrett a $50 million contract, ordering the Barrett MRAD chambered in 338 Norma Magnum for the Advanced Sniper Rifle project as the Mark 22 ASR. The issued rifle kit includes swappable barrels and bolts chambered in 308 Winchester, 300 Norma Magnum, and 338 Norma Magnum. Since being awarded a contract in 2019, the Mark 22 has completed all aspects of the production qualification, testing, and operational testing phases. Deliveries will thus begin in January 2021. Which news published on NavyRecognition.com last week did you prefer? Well, Japan launches its second new Kumano multi-mission frigate. The Odintsovo Project 22,800 Karakurt class Corvette officially enters service with the Russian Navy. The Saudi Navy officially launches its new Corvette Avanti 2200 Al-Dariyah built by Navantia. And the US Navy destroyer USS John Finn destroyed an ICBM target with a Standard Missile 3 Block 2A. Japan has launched its new 30 FFM frigate Kumano for its maritime self-defense force. This is the second ship of this class. The 30 FFM is a new generation of multi-mission frigate built by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries and Mitsui Engineering and Shipbuilding. The design is based on the stealth technology used for the research and development of the Mitsubishi X2 Shinshin then ATDX stealth fighter technology demonstrator, as both platforms are designed by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. Along with stealth capabilities, the frigate also emphasizes on having a high level of automation. This allows the frigate to have a crew of only 90 personnel. The ship will have a hangar with flight deck able to accommodate an SH-60L naval helicopter. The 30 FFM Kodak propulsion, Kodak stands for Combined Diesel and Gas, includes a Rolls-Royce MP30 gas turbine and two MAN diesel engines, thanks to which the ship can reach a top speed of 30+ knots. The new Project 22,800 Karakurt class Corvette Odintsovo was officially commissioned by the Russian Navy on the 23rd of November. This is the first surface ship of the Russian Navy equipped with a Pantsir M anti-aircraft missile and gun system. The Karakurt class Corvette is designed by Almaz Design Bureau and manufactured by Pella Shipyard. The ship features stealth technology and is based on a modular design, allowing the development of different type ships that can be configured to mission requirements. The Karakurt class Corvette is armed with a 76.2mm or a 100mm automatic dual-purpose naval gun, a Pantsir M air defense system, 8 vertical launching system cells for Calibre or Onyx anti-ship cruise missiles, and 2 14.5mm machine guns. A total of 16 such corvettes has been ordered by the Russian Navy, and 2 of them are already in service. The Royal Saudi Naval Force has officially launched its new corvette Avanti 2200 Christian HMS Al-Dariyah, designed and built by the Spanish shipbuilder Navantia. On the 12th of July 2018, the Saudi government signed a contract with Navantia for the construction of 5 corvettes for an amount of €1.8 billion. The corvettes will be based on the Avanti 2200 design, with new features according to the requirements of the Saudi Navy. It's the biggest contract in the history of the public Spanish shipyards with a foreign customer. The design of these corvettes maximizes Navantia's incorporation of its own products like the combat system Cadiz, the emissions systems of integrated communication, the Dona aiming system, the integrated bridge Minerva, the engines and reduction gearboxes. On the 17th of November, the USS John Finn, an Arleigh-class destroyer and Aegis ballistic missile defense system equipped ship, intercepted and destroyed a threat representative intercontinental ballistic missile target with a Standard Missile 3 Block 2A during a test in the ocean area located northeast of Hawaii. The ICBM representative target was launched from the Ronald Reagan Ballistic Missile Defense Test Site located on Kwajalein F. The ICBM representative target was launched from the Ronald Reagan Ballistic Missile Defense Test Site located on Kwajalein Atoll in the Republic of the Marshall Islands. After receiving tracking data, the destroyer launched an SM-3 Block 2A guided missile which destroyed the target. Let's remind that the Aegis ballistic missile weapon system is the naval component of the US missile defense system. The news we published on ARQUUS drew your particular attention last week. The Hungarian Air Force will get 2 Embraer KC-390 Millennium multirole air tankers. An NH90 NFH naval helicopter was deployed from Belgian frigate Leopard I with Standing NATO Maritime Group 1. And Northrop Grumman delivered the fifth and last NATO ARQUUS Phoenix UAV. On the 17th of November, the Hungarian government and Embraer signed a contract for the acquisition of two new generation multi-mission transport aircraft, Embraer KC-390 Millennium, in the air-to-air refueling configuration, hence designated KC-390. Additionally, pilots and technicians training as well as other services and support are included in the contract as part of a process to strengthen the Hungarian Air Force capabilities, especially on the tactical airlift, air refueling and medical evacuation roles, as well as in other missions of public interest. Deliveries are scheduled to start in 2023. The KC-390 for the Hungarian Air Force will be the first in the world with the intensive care unit in its configuration, an essential feature to perform humanitarian missions. Furthermore, the KC-390 probe and drogue refueling system means the aircraft can refuel the Hungarian JS KUMANO Grumman, as well as other aircraft that use the same technology. From the 27th of September to the 11th of November, the Belgian Navy participated with frigate F930 Leopard I in the Standing NATO Maritime Group 1, which is an integrated multinational naval immediate reaction force unit made up of warships and their associated helicopters from various allies under the direct command of NATO. The mission of this immediate reaction force is versatile, ranging from participation in multinational exercises, disaster assistance, to the execution of operational missions in international conflicts. During this SNMG-1 period, an NH90 NFH helicopter from the Karakurt Air Base was on board of the Leopard 1st frigate, a very profitable asset for a wide range of missions. Northrop Grumman successfully ferried the 5th NATO Alliance ground surveillance unmanned aircraft via a non-stop transatlantic flight. The aircraft departed from Palmdale in California and landed nearly 20 hours later at Sigonella Air Base in Italy. The UAV is the last of 5 NATO ARQUUS, thus completing their reach to the main operating base of the NATO AGS system. Work remains to complete handover of the AGS system to the NATO AGS force. The NATO AGS ARQUUS is based on the US Air Force Global Hawk UAV.